Yeah, hold on one sec. I got the baby in the bathtub.
Huh?
I got the baby in the sink.
Oh, well, can you come in and watch? Will you watch?
Sure.
Okay, come on, Jeff.
What, Jeff? That's Mike in the window. Baby in the bathtub. He's trying to peek at her. Jeffrey, let me see you. Hi, beautiful. Baby's first bath in the sink. She loves it. And she loves it. Say hi, Missy.
Hi.
Hi, pretty girl.
The bottom.